Come on, shut up, my friend. This is nonsense that you are even talking, self. I'm not in the mood for this rubbish right now. See, Ndeba Insina. Wait, let me call you back. Hello?
Hello, Chief.
Chief speaking.
Yeah, do you know who is talking?
How will I know the person that is talking now? And you are calling me with a number that is not saved on my phone.
That's what I do here.
Please talk very fast. I'm a very busy person, though. I have to go back to my other business.
Chief, big news. Your son is on vacation with us.
Hey! Vacation, Ebele. Vacation at where now? Bia, talk very fast. I'm a very busy person. Let me go back to my business.
Chief, what I'm trying to say is that we've kidnapped your son.
Chinekime.
Don't make any attempt of calling the police.
Calm down, my brother. Calm down, my brother. So how much are we talking about here?
Chief, we kept your son in a very expensive and good hotel. So, we're just going to take 90 million from you, Chief.
Why 90 million? Why not 100 million? You are talking like you're not in this country. Am I buying a hotel or what? Even estate in my village itself, I can use this money to buy it. What are you even saying, Seth? Things are very difficult to this. Wait, let me call you. Hold on. Hello? Emeka? How many solar panels is the person buying? 100. Emeka, even person is buying 1,000 pieces. We are not doing any discount. The price remains the same.
That's what the
only thing we'll do is the installation. We'll do it for free installation for the person. Emeka, I beg you, just wait. I'm in a very serious call right now. Hello, you were saying, what was I even saying, Seth?
You were saying how hard the country is.
My brother, can't you see how things are very hard? Let me give you 300,000, I beg.
Yeah!
Chief, listen. Your son is eating well here, still living a good life. We are still taking good care of him. The expenses of taking care of him is still much. It's very much. So the little money that's going to be on it is just our profit. If it's another person, Chief, the price will be high. It's just because it's you.
So, my brother, last price in one way go. How much is it? How much are we talking about here?
Chief, I'm still standing on 90 million naira.
Bia, it's okay. Let me give you 500,000. My home and abroad is 500,000. Let me give you 500,000.
Because it's Christmas, I'm going to give you discount. Because I know in the future, in subsequent times, we're going to be doing more business together. So because of that, I'm going to make it 89.99.
My brother, is that where they are playing the match?
It's the money I'm talking about. But speaking of the match, Chief, are you watching the match?
I would love to watch the match, but I'm a very busy person. Right now, I am thinking of what the goods I want to import from China now.
I know Mayu will win the match.
Are you a stupid person? What kind of rubbish are you talking about like this? I will not to do business with you again. Keep holding the person you are holding that you are calling my son. See, all my sons are in Dubai. The person you are holding, I don't even know who the person is. And you are even calling me with a Nigeria line. How will you be kidnapping someone in Dubai?
Jesus! If you know I was not holding any of your sons, then why did you keep praising me?
When I heard you talk, I noticed that you have a very good strategy, a very good skill in advertisement. So I started thinking about using your talent for my business. So what I will do is that I would like to hire you in my company. What you do right now is to stop this nonsense kidnapping business you are doing and then come and apply for a job. Okay. Bring your CV. Let me employ you. You have a good talent in advertisement.
Okay, Chief, thank you so much.
You are welcome, my brother. So send me a hi on this number you are talking to me with is on WhatsApp. Send me a hi on this number. Let me send you a live location of where you will come for your interview.
Okay, Chief, thank you so much.
Okay. Wait.
Yes, Chief, I'm here.
Can jog you. This match that they are playing, who do you think will win the match?
Chief, you don't need the prophet to tell you now. You will win that match.
Finish him.
You are a very stupid boy. Go and meet your father to hire you, idiot.
What have I done with myself?
Do they use your generation to play?
I hope you enjoy that Romeo video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.